Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2011 Kia Sorento, stock number 6389. This ran from the 10th 2009 to the 9th 2012. It has a D4 HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a D4 HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door 2 dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front headlight. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic air shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Instrument cluster.